Welcome to my show, Darwaza Got Talent.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can you please introduce yourself to our listeners?
Hi, my name is Mohammed. I joined Darwaza private school for grade 9. Before this, I was at public school when all subjects were taught in Kurdish.
You are very welcome. So, what is like transitioning from a governmental school to Darwaza private school where we have the system in English?
At first, it was hard because I was in a different environment, but I saw it as a challenge, so I took it, and now I'm a great student.
Yes. So you are into challenging.
Yes.
You're welcome. You chose the right place. So how did you manage to excel in grade 9 despite all the transitions?
At first, again, it was hard, but I don't have to give up on everything because it's hard. In life, nothing is hard unless you try for it.
So we say that to be a hard worker is better than just to be smart. What do you think?
Yeah.
Agree, disagree?
If you're not even smart that much, I'm not smart, I can see that. But if I work hard, I can be in the top students.
But we have a lot of faith in you.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome. What's the biggest challenge you faced and how did you overcome it?
It was changing my environment for a school to other school. First, I came to the school, it was all in English. I was used to Kurdish, I didn't have friends here. But I tried to make friends so it would be easier for me, and I would want to come to school every day so I can see my friends and study.
Hopefully. I think you had this circle of friends, and I envy you. You have these specific friends around you.
Like the names
yes.
of my friends? Probably Fakhr, Habras, Nabil.
That's so cool.
All of them go around.
So what do you enjoy most about studying at the Darwaza Private School?
I think meeting my friends is the most enjoyable thing here.
Cool, that's so cool. What I know that you are also passionate about basketball. So how does basketball mean to you?
Basketball is not just a game. It's more of a life lesson. You have to put in hard work, get disciplines, and never give up on your dreams.
So when did this dream start with you?
When I was in grade 7,
yes.
We started studying basketball, and we went to the court every day to practice for the tournament. We didn't get qualified because we were too young, but they still thanked us for the efforts.
Yeah, actually, there's something you don't know, that they call me here a talent hunter, and actually I hunted you, so it was pretty much for me. So what I heard also that that's a question that always come to my mind. How do you balance between your studies, which heard that you are one of the top students in your classroom, and with basketball?
Yeah, everything in life needs a schedule for sleeping, things like that. And there's a schedule for me to play basketball and study my works. 2 days once, maybe I play basketball for 4 hours or 3 hours. And others, maybe a day, I'll study for 2 to 3 hours. That's how I get my grades up and don't lose my passion about basketball.
That's very, very good. So who's helping you in managing this schedule stuff?
Actually, my friends, they support me throughout things, and cousins. My parents too sometimes. But my parents want me to put more effort into studying than basketball.
Family is always there. So if you can give us any kind of advice to your other students who are transitioning to new school or learning in different systems.
Yeah, you think you should do it like me, take it as a challenge, because nothing in life is impossible. It's just hard. If you try for it, you can get it, and it's 100% possible, whatever it is.
Welcome. And what are your future goals in academic and in basketball?
Maybe in the summer, I can go to Ararat, and there's this basketball tournament and academy for the youngsters to learn and get more disciplines from basketball.
I wish you best of luck. Last but not least, as we say, and what message you would like to share with listeners of Darwaza?
I think that they should keep going on a dream, never giving up. Studies always come first. I think that's it.
That's it. Mohammed from Barza, you are very welcome to my show.
Thank you.
That was a podcast. You are very welcome. Thank you.